Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best push blocks for table saws that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, these push blocks will help you work more safely and efficiently. You can check out the product links in the description below, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the POWERTEC push block and push stick set, which is also our budget pick. This 5-piece set includes a combination of long and short hold-down push blocks, as well as straight and V-style push sticks. This variety makes it perfect for a wide range of woodworking applications, including face jointing, ripping plywood, and routing. The ergonomic handles ensure a firm grip, while the design prioritizes safety by maintaining downward pressure on your workpiece. The build quality is solid for the price, with durable plastic materials that can withstand regular use. At 2.05 pounds, the set feels lightweight yet sturdy. However, the design is more basic compared to premium options, and the grip material, while functional, may lack the high-friction surface that more expensive models offer. This is ideal for beginners or those on a tight budget who want a functional and affordable safety solution. The POWERTEC set is a great value for its price, especially at just $20.49. It doesn't offer the advanced adjustability of higher-end options. It provides a dependable, no-frills experience. Its biggest drawback is that the pieces may not be as effective for extremely precise cuts or smaller stock. But for general woodworking tasks, this set is great value for its price. It's a reliable choice. If you're looking to enhance safety without spending a fortune, this set is a fantastic entry-level option. Coming in at number 4 is the GRabberPRO push block. This model is designed with safety and ease of use in mind, featuring multi-directional force control and a high-friction base to minimize kickback and keep your hands safe during operation. Its fully adjustable design allows you to make precise cuts down to 1/4 inch ripping, making it suitably for detailed work. The design is straightforward and user-friendly, with an easy assembly process that requires attaching the handle and side parts. The push block is compatible with table saws, router tables, jointers, and band saws, making it a versatile addition to your workshop. The build quality feels solid, and at 1.8 pounds, it provides good stability. However, the grip material may lose its effectiveness over time, so regular cleaning with alcohol is recommended to maintain optimal performance. The GRabberPRO push block is a solid mid-tier option that balances functionality and affordability. While it doesn't have the premium feel of higher-end models, it's a reliable tool for general woodworking tasks. Its ideal use case is for hobbyists or light-duty professionals who need a simple yet effective push block. The main drawback is its slightly less durable grit material, but overall, it's a dependable choice for most applications. At number 3, we have the GRR-RIPPER Plus by Microjig, a highly advanced push block designed for supreme safety and precision. This model features the Safe Rip Kit, which enhances material handling and prevents accidental blade contact for cleaner, faster cuts. It's capable of ripping down to 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch material with surgical accuracy, making it a top choice for delicate work. The build quality is exceptional, with a proprietary green GRR rip surface that provides unmatched grip on a variety of materials, from hardwoods to plastics. The 3D design applies downward, inward, and forward pressure, virtually eliminating kickback. At 1.92 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to handle, and the ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use. Plus, the limited lifetime warranty is a strong testament to its durability. The GRR-RIPPER Plus is a premium tool for professionals and serious hobbyists who demand precision and safety. While it's more expensive than basic models, its features justify the investment. The only downside is that it may be overkill for casual users who don't require such advanced functionality. But if you're looking for a top-tier push block that delivers cutting-edge performance, the GRR-RIPPER Plus is hard to beat. In second place, we have the Microjig GRR-RIPPER GR100, a pioneer in 3D pushblock design. This model offers incredible precision and control, allowing you to cut down to 1/4 inch ripping with ease. The high-friction grip surface ensures stability and safety, making it a favorite among both professionals and hobbyists. Its fully adjustable design enhances its versatility, allowing it to work seamlessly with table saws, router tables, jointers, and bandsaws. The GRR-RIPPER GR100 is lightweight at just 1 pound, yet it feels sturdy and well-constructed. The ergonomic handle design makes it comfortable to use, even during long woodworking sessions. Its 3-directional force provides complete control over the workpiece, significantly reducing the risk of kickback. Plus, the extended 3-year warranty offers peace of mind, ensuring you'll have a reliable tool for years to come. This push block is ideal for woodworkers who value precision and safety. While it lacks some of the enhanced features of the GRR-RIPPER Plus, such as the Safe Rip Kit, it still delivers exceptional performance. Its price may be on the higher side, but its quality and functionality make it a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about woodworking. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Milescraft 3406 GrabberPRO, which stands out as the best overall push block for table saws. This premium model is all about precision and safety, with 4 adjustable and interchangeable legs that allow you to customize it for your specific needs. It can handle cuts as narrow as 1/8 inch with ease, making it perfect for detailed and intricate projects. The design is robust and well thought out, with a durable build that feels solid in your hands. The handle design ensures maximum contact with the workpiece, providing excellent stability and reducing the chance of kickback. The adjustable heel adds another layer of control, and its ability to maintain contact on both sides of the blade enhances accuracy and safety. At $39.99, the Milescraft GrabberPRO is the most expensive option on this list, but it's worth every penny for serious woodworkers. Its versatility, precision, and build quality make it a standout choice. The only potential downside is that it might be overkill for casual users or beginners. However, if you're looking for the best of the best, the Milescraft 3406 GrabberPRO is the ultimate push block for table saws. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy woodworking and stay safe.